Coming up next, I show you how to make a ninja style face mask to protect from emitting coronavirus particles out there, especially for those who may be asymptomatic and not realize that they are spreading the virus. So stay tuned to watch how I do this. Guys, welcome back. Some of you may have seen that viral video out there of a Scottish woman who basically has created a ninja style face mask out of underwear. And I don't know, it seemed really cool and simple, and since I can't sew and make my own face mask, I wanted to try something because I am having to go out and about, and even though I'm doing my social distancing and all that, I live alone, so I have to go shopping for myself. I have to do some things for work still where I have to go out and be out and about. I'm limiting all that, but when I go out, I want to make sure that in case for some reason I have the virus, and even though I may be asymptomatic, you can still spread the disease. For those of you who don't know that, most of you hopefully know that by now. So this is a way that it's not going to necessarily protect myself, although it's better than nothing, according to most medical experts I see now, of having a mask when you go outside. It's better than having no protection, but it definitely is better to be wearing this to prevent transmission in case you do have it. So here we go. I have a normal pair of underwear. You can see here this is Ralph Lauren underwear. Look, pick a clean pair, obviously, guys. Maybe even hopefully a new pair that you haven't even worn yet, but this is a very clean pair. So what you do is you take, okay, the underwear here. You can see this is like a brief style. I think the brief works best from what I can see. What you do is you take one of the legs, all right, and you put your face through it like this, okay? And then, all right, so you put it around, then you take the other leg and you pull it around, all right? And so you got this here, and you just pull down over your ears, and voila! So you have the, the elastic band down here. You've got a face mask, you put it on, and hopefully it will not be mistaken as a, terrorist, but you look like a ninja now, right? And look, it fits great. I can go about my way now. I can go outside. If I, for some reason, have the virus and don't know it, and I'm asymptomatic, I can go out now and not transmit it to other people, and hopefully I'm not going to scare them off. And actually, wearing this may serve a second effect because people are probably going to avoid me even more now and stay even further away from me. So it's got a multitude of effects. There you go. Underwear, ninja face mask. Try it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll talk to you guys later.